If you want to know how can you make money from Snapchat Spotlight, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Just follow carefully with me till the very end and you'll learn exactly how. First we need to go to another social media platform like TikTok that has viral videos. So open TikTok and then search maybe for soccer if you want to post soccer videos, and search basically for anything that you want to post and filter the posts to the most liked ones. Now from here, choose good videos that have a lot of views and likes, that have good potential to getting a lot of views and interactions on your Spotlight. Download those videos, and finally you can go ahead and open Snapchat. Tap right here in the bottom right corner to go to Spotlights. Now from Spotlights, tap right here in the top right corner to upload your videos. So once you tap there, choose the upload a video right here, and choose the video that you want to upload from your device right here. And once you're done, if your video does good, you can tap right here in the top left corner to correct your earnings. So from here, scroll down, you should find my Snap Crystals, tap on that. And from there, you can withdraw or cash out your money from Snapchat. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.